Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today's story is called The Gift with No Name. It's a warm and emotional story about a young man named Ken. On his birthday, he finds a small package in front of his door. Inside, there is a note and a clue. Each clue leads him to places full of memories and to someone very special from his past. In this channel, I speak slowly and clearly, so even beginners can understand every word. You can listen while walking, cleaning, or just relaxing. Now, let's begin today's story, The Gift with No Name.
Huh? What's this? A small box in front of my door? Did I order something? I don't remember that. Oh, there's a card inside. Wait, what does it say? Clue number 1, the place where we first met? We? Who's we? Someone who knows me? No way. Spam? But this is a real package. Maybe a surprise from someone? Like a reunion game or something? But the way it says we, it feels kind of nostalgic. No, that can't be, right? But if it's her, she might actually do something like this. Oh, wait. Today is my birthday. Don't tell me this package is... Well, whatever. Let's go out. The clue says the place where we first met. There's only one place that could be.
Excuse me.
Oh, welcome back. It's been a long time.
Huh? You know me?
Of course. You came here before, right? You were with a woman. About 3 years ago, maybe? You both smiled a lot.
Yeah. This place means a lot to me. It's where we had our first date. After that, we came here many times together.
Oh, I see. That's really sweet. That day, you ordered 2 cappuccinos. Would you like the same again today?
No, not today. I came to ask something. Did anyone leave something for me here? Like a letter or a small package with my name on it?
Oh, are you Mr. Ken?
Yes, that's me. But wait, how do you know my name?
A woman came here yesterday. She said, when he comes, please give this to him.
I knew it.
Here you go. This is what she left.
Thank you. Let me open it. Another note. It says, clue number 2. The place where you talked about our dreams. The place where I talked about our dreams. Ah, I think I know where that is.
Oh? Where's it?
There's a place I used to go. We talked about many things there.
She looked so happy, you know? She said, I'm sure he will come.
She said that?
Yes. She looked really happy, like she was going to meet someone special after a long time.
Meet again, huh? I'm not sure if that will go well.
You should go. I just feel it's the right thing to do.
Yeah, you're right. Thank you.
Take care. Oh, and here's one cappuccino on the house. It's the same taste as before. Your memory drink.
That's really kind of you. Thank you.
This park? Yeah. This is the place where we talked about our dreams. That bench, it hasn't changed at all. Hey, you finally came. Alex, why are you here?
I knew you'd come. Just like I thought. Your ex-girlfriend was smiling so much when she talked about this place.
I knew it. It's her again. What's going on with this whole event?
Sit down, man. Come on. Here. She asked me to give this to you.
Another envelope. Are you part of this plan too?
Yeah, I don't really mind this kind of thing. Anyway, open it.
Clue number 3. The place where your dearest memory touches the sky.
Touches the sky? What does that even mean?
It's easy. It means the rooftop.
The rooftop? Of our old school?
Yeah, that's the one.
Makes sense. She said, let's finish it there, together.
Let's finish it there.
You know, you two used to talk about so many things here. About your dreams, right?
Yeah, like, let's travel around the world or let's open our own cafe. She said, I want to make a cafe that smells like happiness. And I said, then I'll come every day. And she said, then I'll bake cakes every day.
That sounds just like her.
But why now? We haven't seen each other for 3 years.
She said she wants to make things clear. Maybe she wants to end things properly.
Make things clear.
Yeah, that's why you should go. She's waiting for you, on the rooftop.
Thanks, Alex.
Don't mention it, but hurry, before the sun goes down.
Got it. I'll go. So, this is the place. It really hasn't changed. Feels so nostalgic.
You finally came.
Anna.
You're late. Do you know how long I've been waiting here?
I got stopped by Alex on the way. You really used people for your little game, didn't you?
Well, you always liked solving puzzles, right?
True. I didn't hate it, but I never thought you'd call me out here after 3 years. And on my birthday.
Oh, so you noticed it's your birthday.
Of course I did. I can't forget my own birthday. But I didn't expect you to remember. That made me happy.
Of course I remembered. How could I forget?
Then you gave me all those cards with clues. I thought it was some kind of horror prank.
Horror? No, it's romance.
That's a fine line.
You didn't quit halfway.
Of course not. I was curious. I didn't expect such a big setup.
Were you excited?
Yeah, I was. But halfway through, I was sure. It had to be you.
I'm glad. But I was still nervous. I thought maybe you wouldn't come.
Me? Of course I'd come. The cafe, the park, they were all our places.
Yes, every clue led you through our memories. I wanted you to walk that path again
Why?
because I never said goodbye properly. I ran away.
Yeah. You just disappeared.
I regretted it. For a long time, I wanted to continue that unfinished day.
So today is that continuation?
Yes. And here,
Is that a key?
do you remember? You said, so that we can always stay together, and you gave me this key.
Oh, that one. You still kept it.
Yes, I carried it like a charm, but today I wanted to return it to you, to say thank you.
But you know what? This whole thing was really fun. I almost laughed to myself.
Really? I thought you might get mad halfway through.
No, not at all. I was excited. I even met some old faces again.
You mean Alex? He was so into it.
Yeah, that guy totally teamed up with you. He kept pushing me. Go, hurry up.
Yeah, that was my idea.
I knew it.
How do you feel seeing me again after all this time?
Can I be honest?
Of course.
You haven't changed, but somehow you feel stronger now.
Maybe that's because you've changed.
Me?
Yeah. You know, I finally feel like we really talked properly this time.
Same here. I've been holding things inside, but now I feel lighter.
I'm glad. If we can smile at the end like we used to, that's enough for me.
But to be honest, I don't really want it to end.
There you go again.
Half joke, half true.
I know. Did you enjoy the treasure hunt?
It was amazing. I almost cried in the middle.
What? You cried? No way!
Okay, I didn't cry, but almost.
Then it's a success.
Yeah, best birthday gift ever.
I'm so glad. Really.
Thank you for this key and for today, for everything.
No, thank you for coming.
So, will we see each other again?
Who knows? Maybe I'll prepare the next clue.
Don't. You'll make me run around again.
But you looked like you were having fun.
Maybe I was. It wasn't bad.
Then next time, let's meet at the Place of Smiles.
What's that supposed to mean?
You'll know when you see it.
You really are unbelievable. Thank you, Anna.
Thank you, Ken. And goodbye.
How was it? Today's story, The Gift with No Name, was about memories, friendship, and a quiet kind of love. Through Ken's journey, we learned many useful English expressions and natural ways to express emotions. Remember, learning English is not just about words. It's also about feelings, stories, and connection. When you understand the heart of the story, your English becomes more natural and beautiful. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like so you won't miss our next interesting stories. Also, tell us in the comments what kind of story or theme you'd like to hear next. Your idea might be the one we choose for our next episode. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next story.